Ladies and gentlemen, we are started the new experience in this travel. In Spain, we will go to Getxo.
Saan tayo, Lex?
Basque Country. Ngayon ay mag-insight tayo ng easy. Bukas magpapakahirap sa Getxo.
Hello guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Bilbao. Isa sa pinaka sikat din dito sa Spain. At dito bukas yung aming karera.
Medyo matinding laban ng filosofiya ang nagaganap.
Ayan.
Marahil itong lugar na to ay ginagawa nilang pampapasarap. Pero bukas ay kami ay maghihirap.
Alright, hello guys. So today is our pre-race ride here in Bilbao. Okay. So today, just familiarize lang sa aming dadaanan bukas sa karera. Ayan o. Okay guys, this is the finish line for tomorrow race. Ayan o. Sineset up na nila yung mga barandilyas. Alex! Taas kamay! Yan. Here at coffee shop.
Yeah boy!
Tortilla maybe. Iba't ibang variety oh. Coffee break.
Tapos na tayo
Lex.
ride ng ilang oras para bukas ready tayo.
Ano ba yung pabuha mo ngayon, Nick?
Meron akong activation na 3 minutes na zone 3, 2
Yeah.
times lang. Kasi mas maganda pa rin start bukas ng fresh ka. Na
Yeah.
hindi ka ganun ka kalaspag para full gas sa race.
Ikaw, Lex?
Today easy lang kasi kahapon na ako nakakapag-finish.
Nagtuloy na pala.
Ngayon easy.
Kaya Daniel, kamusta ka na?
Alright, yun, medyo kahit pa paano okay na guys. Yan o, nakikita niyo yung daan. Yan, dadaan yung karera ng buwan.
Oh yeah.
Sa bukas, hindi na ganun karami para parking.
Si Kuya Daniel ngayon medyo kailangan mag-recover kasi siyempre sa karera di may iwasan yung semplang kasama sa race yan.
Special hiwa by Alex.
Oh yeah, coffee time.
Hoy! Alright guys, dito yung Paul Ticumeta, Arabay, Hola, tapos si Skyline, tapos syempre Victoria Sports. So we are 4 teams together dito sa aming hotel. Hola Mario, what is your preparing for tomorrow? What is that? Preparing you for tomorrow?
Yeah, I prepare the water for the start, and later I do the rascade
Yeah?
for it for my racers.
Okay.
Bakit importante mag-record?
Recon ride, syempre importante yan. Malay mo, hindi mo na-download yung GPX mo. Hindi mo alam kung saan liliko.
Yeah. Oo. Kasi minsan nagbabagyo yung ano eh.
Oo yung
GPX.
nagbabag. Kaya kailangan kabisaduhin mo rin kahit na meron kang GPX.
Pati check yung bike, check
Yeah.
yung sapatos, helmet.
Tsaka huwag ka maglalakad ng nakaklits ha.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Nag-recon ride kami para medyo mas ma-check natin yung ruta bukas para paano may advantage tayo na alam natin kung saan yung mga rotonda. Oh yeah. Ngayon, to si Alex, magka-roommate kami niyan, syempre. Buddy kami niyan. Magja-shower muna kami, then papa-massage na para mas relax and fresh bukas.
Yes, dinner.
Dinner time siguro mga 8:30, mga ganyan yan. Spanish time, syempre.
Eat good, sleep good.
Yeah, boy.
Alright. Good morning, guys. So, here we are in
Hi guys.
Bilbao. Ito kami sa Getxo,
Last rate from
Europe. Sa aming Euro block. At susunod na araw na rin.
Pilipinas.
Okay, guys. Here we are in the breakfast. Morning, guys. Hola, hola.
Hola, morning. Breakfast.
Buenas. Punta tayo sa room ng saan kami mag-meeting for today race. So, here is our sports director, Hector Carretero.
Now you are the community manager.
No, I'm the one who taking charge for the vlog. I will show you how we do the meeting.
Well, last European race, eh? You will miss Europe.
For sure, eh?
For sure, miss. We will miss you. Well, this race is super beautiful, but also super hard, eh? For finish. Today we have Getxo, okay? I did Getxo around 5 times, more or less. I've done Getxo. In 4 as a side. So we start in Bilbao, okay, and we have 8 kilometers neutral, 8k, okay, now for Mama. And then the start, we came through this way, and the start is just 7 kilometers. Next lap, during the lap, 10 less percent of power. So finally, if you are high to ticket with only 40% of your power, because the other 60 is spending the látigos, ciao.
This is our team car. Here is Pedro, our mechanic. Sunny ang ating karera dito sa Getxo. So perfect. Hindi tulad nung nakaraan sa Ordisha na medyo maulan. So perfect para sa race. Hindi siya tricky. Ito ang aming team van. Yan. May ibang rider dito din sasakay. Alex. Yan, so travel kami ng 20 minutes papuntang starting. So, ayan na. Hey, famous.
Hola, yo solamente tengo.
Ayan, no? May card sila nadala, pinapapirmahan. So, ayan. Typical dito yan sa Europe na sila yung may dala ng mga picture. See? Ayun pala eh, kasama ako eh. Kuhanan mo yan. Oh,
Ayan,
dami ah.
La mía. Guapas, eh? Famous, eh? You are very famous. Are you happy?
Yeah, because somebody have my picture to sign. Oh,
This one no beautiful, eh? You are a bit ugly there, eh? Look,
no, not ugly, just
a bit ugly, eh? Now you are more beautiful, more pretty. This is Boss Paco. Boss him.
gracias.
Merci beaucoup. It's enough, no?
Yeah. Merci.
Merci, thank you.
Yeah, I
French.
know from French.
Thank you in French, yes.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Ayan, lahat pala eh. Kala ko si Eugenio lang tsaka si Nico.
Português.
Si, le cyclisme, pas.
Si.
Oui. Avec
Alright. Kasi mahirap na pag nahulog yan. Alright. Going for the sign-on. Hola, chicos! Kung naalala nyo guys, noong 2023 sa Tour de France, yung starting, yung opening ceremony, dito nila yun ginanap here in Guggenheim. Ayan o, napakaganda. Alright, so dito rin yung parkingan ng mga World Tour teams. Look, dito yung Lidl, UAE, Movistar, Q36, saka Cofidis. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa may team presentation.
La velocidad con la que se suele rodar, ¿qué consejos te han dado? Yo y también con todo el equipo de United, los mejores deseos que vaya bien la
Mga fans.
Suerte para el día de hoy, primer equipo, Bailarina de salida, Gorka.
Fenómeno, Juan Mari, o sea, recasco a Speed United, darle
Right.
Canadá, Pablo Dañán.
Calpe, tenemos también a Nicolás Sessler, que es brasileño, que emigraron a Filipinas para intentar desarrollar el
Yan,
turismo
guys,
en Filipinas.
yan nagsasalita, yan yung
Disputan la Vuelta a Asturias.
Voice
Buenos
of
días.
Vuelta.
Hola, buenos días. Buenos días. A ver, mucho mejor que yo filipino. Esto es muchísimo mejor. Así que el equipo Victoria Sport en la línea de salida.
Malasia, Cautaldea.
Y aquí cerca, de al lado, de Malasia vienen.
Filipinas y Malasia.
Alright. Pakita natin yung laman ng ating bag ng nutrition. Yan.
Sodium. And caffeine.
Yan. Powered by Crown Nutrition. Ano pa ang mga andyan?
Ano ito?
Bujitos?
Ito ang ginawa ni Mario. Buitos.
Yan. Testing.
Harap. Ano ito? Membrillo. Parang jam. Jamon. Yan. Kanina pa kami kumakain. Pero mo sa Yohan niya nung gagawin niya sa niya.
Yours, Eugenio, what you have?
What I have?
Yeah.
Have caffeine gel.
Yeah.
Also, I have the Aper gel of only carbs with sodium. Also, the gummies, also with 45 of carbo and sodium.
Yes.
I have also this little bar, the salty one of peanuts, only for sodium.
Okay.
And well, I have also some rice cakes,
Yeah.
marmalade.
Yeah.
And that's all.
Yeah. Here is Ian. Ano yung meron ka ngayon?
Meron ako ngayong puso.
Yeah. Yeah. Fully loaded na rin ba?
Yes.
Alright. Oh.
Every 30 minutes.
Ano?
Bars. Una muna mga solid, then yung mga last hour doon na natin ipitake ang mga gels with caffeine.
Ano una? Solid, bars, magmamatter na yon.
Liquid muna.
Ah, liquid. Tapos magmamatter na. Here is our radio.
Number one.
Yan, number 1. Pak. So, napaka-importante talaga ng may radyo, lalo na pag halimbawang may mechanical trouble. So, madali mo lang sabihin sa iyong sports director. Hindi na kailangan pang silang antayin. Mario. Super Mario.
Gracias.
Radio check.
Radio check 1, 2.
Alright. Hello guys. So I'm here at the team car alongside with our DS. So today my role is
Blogger.
to take some video what happening in the race. So later when we start, I take some videos, clips to share with you guys. So, ayan. Then later after one lap, ayan, mag-jump na ako sa aming team van para mag-abot sa aking mga teammates para hindi mahirapan yung aming swanyor at mas madali umabot sa aming mga rider para at least dalawa makakapag-abot mamaya. Hi Nico. I asked you some questions. So what is your perspective and opinion for today's race here in Getxo?
Well, today is a super nice race, but super hard also. It's a circuit, so it's all the laps. There are attacks and the peloton going back and forth, and it's super hard. And it's very important to keep the position in the front. We race today with the big stars from the Giro, like Ayuso, like Jack Del Toro, or from Trek, Matías Esquelmos is here.
Ciccone?
And Ciccone also. So many good guys. Movistar also has super strong team.
Cofidis, Q36,
Parma, Burgos, Q36, Giacomo Nisolo, Peacock. So it's a high level race, and
yes,
let's go. It's very important to be in the front and try to keep good position with the guys.
Yes,
and see what we can do in the climb.
Yeah. So see you during the race and see you in the feeding, no?
I know. I hope not to see you in the feeding. Hey, if I stop in the feeding,
just
no problem.
no, just in the feeding. Give you some bottles and bag.
Then it's good.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Good luck. You know. Yeah. Ano pala nasa natin, boss? Nutrition sa battle.
One carb. Carb. And water. Pangumo.
All right. Good luck, guys.
Maybe
Good luck, Nick.
Thank you.
Alex. See you.
See you later.
All right. So guys, I want to show you also the course of the race today. So yung 1, 2, 3 to 5 is same lap, but yung 4 and 6 ay medyo may iba lang na climb yan. Medyo mataas na yan kasi matarik yan, pero same pa rin yung finish line. Yun lang. Alright guys, race already start, so stay tuned, and then I hope I can take some good video so we can share it with you guys.
No.
Go Ian, go.
Relax, yes.
Okay, Ian have a flat tire. Now he's chasing, going back to the peloton. Right, go Ian, go.
Good job, Ian, Good job, ganda yung peloton.
Alright, last lap. Then, yun. Aaw na sila sa may pike. Oh, Queen Simmons. Breakaway. Queen Simmons. Race. Ay. Vamos, Nico! Nico! Alright. At si Nico na lang ang natira sa peloton. So, ayan. Waiting pa rin kami sa mga iba naming ka-teammates. Kay Nicole, Alexis, tsaka kay Ohe. Sila yung sunod na grupeto.
Vale, yo voy ahora a meta, los espero.
Alright, I'm back
Ventana, Pedro.
in the team car.
Que te va de puta madre esta subida, Nico. Good,
I didn't...
Good blogger,
Hey, Pedro,
Dime.
say something. How are you here in the car with Hector?
Nice.
Good?
No problems. Good day.
Yeah?
Happy.
Ah,
Good,
okay.
Good, 1K and a half, 11%, Proper for you this climb. Come on,
Okay, alright. So, this is the group of Nico. Watak-watak na yung grupo. 19 seconds si Del Toro. Tapos second group sila Ayuso. Then, ito yung main bunch. Tapos ito yung grupo nila Nico.
Nico, venga.
Del Toro win. Get.
Ha entrado, si no es Cofidis, se queda sin gente,
Ellos han planeado para la primera subida al pique ya llegar con...